Introducing the LRN Series Vertical Linear Seal Slurry Pump. The LRN Series uses a linear seal structure with magnetic liquid sealing. It is the ideal pump for transferring chemical solutions containing slurry. There are no sliding parts, so it can better handle deadhead operation and dry running. There's also no need for cooling water to prevent heat generation. The wet end parts are made of wear-resistant resin. The pump has no consumable parts, giving it excellent durability for a long lifespan. This also means that the more you use it, the more energy and costs it saves. Now, let's take a closer look at the heart of the LRN series, the mechanism of the linear seal structure. The linear seal is a shaft seal that prevents liquid leakage when the pump is stopped. During pump operation, centrifugal force changes the poles of the magnets inside the rotating disc. Those magnets and the ones inside the mobile seal repel each other, and the seals in contact will open. Additionally, the back blade of the rotating impeller affects the liquid balance. So, the liquid will not rise above the back blade. This design means that the parts inside the pump have no sliding contacts. When the pump shuts down, the cut seal and linear seal close, acting as a liquid seal to prevent both the backflow of liquid through the discharge outlet and liquid pushing in through the suction inlet. When the pump stops, the poles of the magnets inside the rotating disc immediately change, attracting the magnets inside the mobile seal. By sealing the shaft sealing area, the air inside the pump is confined, which helps control the rise in the internal liquid level and prevents liquid leakage. The pump is equipped with an outer frame to minimize liquid leakage in the event the mobile seal is scratched or slurry is somehow caught in the seal surface. It also features a proximity sensor that monitors the opening and closing of the linear seal for enhanced safety. The LRN series not only eliminates worries about liquid leakage, but also provides excellent energy savings and cost reductions compared to using an air-driven pump. The electric motor drive is very energy efficient, making it ideal for circulating and transferring slurry liquid for chemical-mechanical polishing. Additionally, there is no need for external cooling water or regular part replacements, which can lead to reduced maintenance costs. It is also ideal for circulating and transferring glass polishing liquid for LCDs and more. We hope you'll consider our LRN series for your next pump, so you can enjoy the many advantages it offers.